kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. It is winter, and you know what I mean, Christmas over, the holiday is over, everything gone back to normal now. So basically it is going to be a resolution time now where people start think, oh, I want to be healthy and I want to do certain things. Anyway, I have a little recipe which I want to share with my fans and to say, listen guys, garlic is very important. A lot of people cannot take garlic. If you have high blood pressure, I would tell you, do not take garlic. Alright? If you're taking certain kind of tablet, be careful when you're taking garlic. Alright? Some people are allergic to garlic, some people doesn't like garlic because of the scent. But anyway, today I'm going to share you a recipe again, garlic tea, very easy and simple to make at home. Alright? And don't forget, I got the Jamaican Valley soursop leaf tea, and also they got the cinnamon, and also they got the molasses, and also Surrey tea. There's a lot of stuff the Jamaican Valley do, so please go to www.jamaicavalley.com and get your herb for your tea for this winter. It is winter, it is cold, freezing, you know what I mean, so you have to look after yourself. So today I stop at the market today and I get some garlic. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to simply show you what you can do with garlic. Alright, so we're going to make a garlic tea today. Very easy and simple. So you're going to get 2 cloves of garlic. Alright, and then what you're going to do, you're going to crush it and remove the dry bit from the outside of the garlic, because you don't need the outside bit. Alright, so you crush it. And when you crush the garlic, I'll just show my fingers exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, this is how you want the garlic to look like. Like when you crush it, it's really crushed out, like it mashed out. Yeah. Then we're gonna put it straight inside of a glass like this. And after you crush it, next you need to do another one, just like this, as you can see. See? Crush it. Put it straight inside of the glass like that. Lovely and nice. A lot of people doesn't like garlic. Alright, so what we're going to do, I just warm a kettle and I'm gonna pop some hot water inside of it like this. Make you guys can see exactly what's going on in the water right here. Lovely and nice. Then get a teaspoon like this one, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Nice one. Also, if you don't mind, you can put a slice of a lemon and a slice of a piece of a ginger also inside of it if you want to, but you don't have to because it's garlic tea. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna taste it. That's nice, perfect. So what I would do now, I would just leave this for roughly about another 5 to 6 more minutes and let the garlic dissolve more in the water, in the hot water, and let it cool down a little bit before you start to drink it. But it's good for you to drink it when it's a little bit hot, because it gets to go down in the system really hot, you know what I mean? But anyway, as you can see right over here, they're talking about garlic tea. This is garlic and honey, very easy to make at home. Alright, then second thing what I'm going to show my friends and what you can also do when you're at home in this winter. I know it is winter and the time is so cold and a lot of people doesn't like the cold weather. So what you can do, we got the Jamaican Valley cinnamon tea right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out one of the cinnamon tea bag. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of a glass like this. And also we're going to get a pack of the soursop leaf tea. This is a soursop leaf tea bag. And also we're going to get Surrey tea bag also, because I love Surrey. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like this. Alright, so it's just some different kind of ideas and stuff what you can do at home. Alright guys, so we got 3 combination right there, and I'm gonna simple put it inside of my little glass right here, hot water, on it. You're gonna pour some hot water on it like this. Nice and lovely. And you can just leave this for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes and make it get to dissolve inside of the water. And now what you're gonna do, you can put also a teaspoon of honey if you like to. Nice and lovely. Teaspoon of honey. And you can just leave this for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes and make it go and dissolve inside of the water. Alright? Second thing, we're going to do another one. This is going to be lemon and ginger. Two slices of lemon and also slices of ginger. Alright, and all we're going to do is pop some hot water on it like this. That's going to be lovely and tasty and nice. And then you can put some honey. You don't have to, but you can put a teaspoon of honey if you like honey inside of your tea. Alright, this is for the winter. And all you have to do is leave that inside of the water for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes inside of the water until it cools off a little bit. But it's good for you to drink it very, very, very hot. So guys, you see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, then next thing we have this one right here. But hold on first, I'll just make you guys see exactly what's going on. Alright, so basically we got this one and also this one and also this one, and that looking so lovely and nice.